pumpkin season. And when we think about pumpkins, we typically think of jack-o'-lanterns, pumpkin spice lattes, and pumpkin pie. But pumpkin is a really great vegetable. It's loaded with nutrients and fiber. It's a good source of lutein and zeaxanthin, important antioxidants for your eyes and skin. And it's low in carbs. It only has about 8 grams of carbohydrate per cup. So we're going to take this pumpkin and do something special with it. We're going to combine it with vegetables and shrimp and make a wonderful fall meal that you're just going to love. Here we are with the final result, a special fall meal that's easy, fun, and nutritious. So if you make this at home, I'd love to hear about your variations. Use the hashtag RawlsMDRecipes and be sure to follow me for more great content like this.